Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new middle of the day market update. I quickly want to grab your attention. In this video, what we'll do is we'll talk about news. All right, we'll talk about news you need to know, which is it's still summer. There's not too much news. We'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll talk about what to expect from Bitcoin. We got a little bit of a bullish breakout here, which is good to see. And then we'll talk about some important / interesting altcoins. Before that, I just uploaded a video. Tonight we have the Nvidia earnings call, which is going to be massive for AI cryptos. I think you need to know about that. I think you need to be prepared for that. So check out that video as well, uploaded before this. But for now, let's talk about the market. So in terms of news, tomorrow and Friday, we have some big economic news. Economic data with the jobless claim, so unemployment data from the US. And then on Friday, the PCE price index, which is basically like an inflation rate number for the US, is going to be important. It's going to make the market move. So keep an eye out for that. And I will keep you updated on that as well. And then apart from that, a lot of the news right now is still about Toncoin. I do think we will get some news about that relatively soon. For me, the most interesting thing about that is some sort of a long. All right. So if we do get some news that Pavel Durov is going to be released, or if we get some sort of a breakout above something like 5.6, I would say a long is worth it on this. But for now, I would stay a little bit on the cautious side, on the careful side. But there's a lot going on around that. All right, so keep an eye on that. Bitcoin itself, obviously, yesterday had a bit of a bearish reaction. Dropped back down into this range right here between 62,000 and 57,000, and that's kind of the range which we are maneuvering in right now. All right, what we see is the US market is opening in 10 minutes. The stock market at this point of time is trading basically at the same price point. Nasdaq is down a little bit. Russell 2000 is down a little bit. I don't expect much movement. And for Bitcoin, I also do think that the market structure which we are in right now is a consolidation, and I don't really see a reason why we would have a massive breakout. All right, so the entire market is very correlated. Some coins are outperforming here, so that's interesting. Floki, for example, which we also bought in the Signal group, which, if you don't know, I have a Signal group in which I post all of my trades, and we'll talk about those a little bit later. But for Bitcoin itself, we have to check what the US market does. If we do see some sort of a bump in the S&P 500, for example, then I think Bitcoin is going up to that level right here at 61 and 62,000 as well. But I don't really see any reason yet as to why we would get a bullish breakout above that like we had Friday. Friday with some strong fundamentals. Right now, I'm not convinced. So yeah, we did have a lot of short positions being closed earlier today. That caused a bit of a pump. But apart from that, I don't anticipate too much volatility. I could be wrong on that, and you should be prepared for the breakout either way. But that's what I view about the market right now. Now, what I think is more interesting is altcoins. All right, so first of all, like I said, AI coins are going to be very volatile, like Render, like Fetch, like Tau. So check out my video. Outside of that, personally, I am in a little bit of a long from Jasmy, from this level right here, around 2 cents. Also posted about that on X if you want to know more about that. Like I said, I'm also long on Floki for since Tuesday, I believe. And I'm also long on AFAX. But those trades, not sure if I'll keep them. All of them right now are either in profit or at entry. No, they're all in profit right now. So I'm not sure what I'll do with that. All right, if you want to know that, if you want to have the entries, then consider joining the Signal group. I usually try to keep you updated on them for free as well on X, etc. But yeah, so those are the positions I'm in right now. Outside of that, like I said, Ton I think is interesting. I think Stacks is also quite interesting, but we need to get some sort of a big breakout and a bullish Bitcoin for that to really rally. Dogs is very interesting here, even though I think, and I also posted that on X, I think it's a little bit too early for it to rally, but it's 100% a coin you need to keep your eyes on, so make sure to do that. Aptos, so now I'm just naming coins, right? So, but these are coins I do think you need to keep an eye on. Aptos, if we break above 7.5, I think that's a buy, but again, you do kind of need a bullish market for that. Notcoin, kind of the same story as Ton, and then the AI coins. That's basically it for now, all right? A coin like Pendle, a coin like Rune is also trying to do something, but that's it's not too interesting, I would say, at this moment. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know about the markets for now, at least. Like I said, US markets are opening, so be careful, volatility incoming. I'll keep you updated on the markets. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.